This is Ash. If no one has met him or knows who he is, he's my boyfriend. I live with him. And he is kind enough to make breakfast this morning. He's like, kind enough. I'm not making any for you. This is for me.
That's for me, come on.
Oh my god. Oh my god, he made bacon! That looks so good. Well, at least none of us burnt it this time. I made bacon last night and I burnt it. Was that last night? Yeah. I can't cook bacon. I try. Okay? I try.
A for effort.
Anyway, so
A for
I don't...
execution.
No. Just no. Anyway, how do I work this out? Alrighty, there we go. Let's find... Oh, okay, that was good lighting. Okay. This is a horrible shot of me, but oh well. And Ash is failing dramatically. You're right.
And that.
I'm gonna beep that. Quality content. Anyway, so... Shush. Okay, so the plan for today is my hair is a bit yucky and gross, so I get to go and get my hair done today. Some of you will know that I actually am doing my hairdressing apprenticeship, so I work in a salon in Brisbane. So that means that I get to have my hair done for, you know, for free, but that's a hairdressing apprentice secret that you guys now know. Anyway, so I get to go get it done. As you can see, I already have like balayage done, so I'm just gonna get a half head of foils. One of the girls that I work with is an apprentice as well, and she is up to her foiling, so I'm going to be her model. So she's gonna give me a half head of foils, and I'm gonna see if I can maybe get a bit of a root stretch and go a bit more of like a pearly ashy color on my ends. So yeah.
Stop filming me failing miserably. I'm trying to bend over and get around you.
It's okay, they look good. Yeah, don't touch that with your fingers.
I know.
Do you want to burn your hands?
No.
Good. There we go. Yeah, he did it. I'm so proud. Woo! This is what happens when he leaves me in charge of the cooking. Great. We have burnt wraps.
The chick just had that thought, I'm like, I bet you she's fucking forgotten about them in the dirt.
Yeah. Oh well. Do I have pizza on my mouth? Yeah. No, I don't. Okay, we're good. Alrighty, all done at the hair salon now. This is what it looks like. You probably can't really see it very well because it's getting dark, as it's like 5 o'clock and it gets dark in winter here in Australia. So yeah. If you like it, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, blah blah blah. I know I hate saying that sort of stuff. It's so cliche. He's just like, oh my god, you're such a typical YouTuber. Shut up.
Yummy yum.
Yummy yum.
Yum 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 yum.
We have our own language. I know we're weird. Don't judge. Alrighty, well, that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see anything else like this, like more vlogs, leave me a thumbs up so that I know. Leave some more comments. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. My chair just made a farting noise. It wasn't me. Anyway, bye.